Today I will share how to grow marigolds. If you are new to gardening and want an easy, colorful flower to start with, marigolds are perfect. They grow fast, bloom a lot, and don't demand much care. Let's start with the right soil mix. Marigolds love well-draining soil. Whether you are planting in pots or directly in the ground, drainage is key. For the best soil mix, add 40% garden soil, 40% compost, and 20% sand or coco peat. Next is sunlight requirements. Marigolds are sun-loving plants. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily because more sunlight means more flowers. If grown in shade, the plant may grow leaves but produce fewer blooms. Next is watering. Watering is simple but important. Water when the topsoil feels dry. Avoid overwatering. Always water at the base of the plant and not on the leaves. Too much water can lead to fungal problems, so keep that in mind. Next is fertilization. Marigolds don't need heavy feeding. For beginners, add compost every month and use a diluted liquid fertilizer once every 15 days. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers. They promote leaves instead of flowers. Deadheading for more blooms is important. Deadheading means removing dried or faded flowers. Simply pinch or cut off old flowers regularly. This signals the plant to stop making seeds and produce newer blooms. Next is pesticide and pest control. Marigolds are naturally pest resistant, but some aphids or mites may appear. To prevent that, mix neem oil with water and spray every 10 to 15 days. This keeps the pest away without harming the plants. Well, marigolds are a very common plant that is seen in every household. I hope this video was helpful and it inspired you to grow marigolds and start your gardening journey. I hope you take care of your plants and you take care of yourself.